Hey, it's Misha from Adsmith. We're a marketing learning machine which automates creative decisions, runs infinite experiments, and optimizes based on performance. We get 3 times better ROAS for our customers because we take 1,000 times more shots on goal and automatically learn from the results. Today, we're going to give you a demo about a protein powder brand, Eggsential Nutrition. So here we have the organization brief, logos, just something about the company. We have stuff about the offering. This is, again, a one-time brief, just like you do for an agency. Key selling points, advantages, picture of the product, things like that. We can localize to anywhere on Earth. We're going to pick United States and English for this. And we always start with a Gen Pop persona as kind of a control group, but we can really do any kind of persona that really makes the ads appeal more to like a narrow group and just be able to do a lot more of that. So your ads are more likely to stand out and stop the scroll. For this one, we're just going to do men aged 51 to 53 who are cholesterol conscious and like classic cars. That's going to be a different kind of ad than you would show to women who are into gardening or any age who's into indie music festivals. Same product, different way of talking to them. So pick that one. We get to the story. This is the story we're telling with the ad. For this one, we're going to keep it simple. We're going to do people in the ad. We can also include pictures of the product if we like, and do like the after of a before, during, after storytelling framework. So what's this new glorious future after they're enjoying the product? We can do creative guidance in terms of like sort of stage directions, and then creativity. We're gonna put this on a 2 out of 5. You can play with it, see what works best for your brand. I've already generated some stuff here. So when we pick platform Google, that's because we're saying, okay, this is going to be for Google. We know, the amount of keywords that are needed, all pretty good. All again, men over 50, like targeted to that persona. We fit the captions. This is the text saying, okay, how many do you need? What are the character counts? We automatically take care of that for you. As long as they're credible to get started, you're in a good position because then we try some, we learn, and we improve. So here we're going to show some of these ones we've already generated. Again, you see these are men, early 50s, classic cars, and having to do with this protein shake. So we're going to approve as many as we like. Great. This one's the AI stuff you always got to like that one is weird, right? So we don't want to do that one. That's okay. These are so cheap and easy to produce. They keep the ones you like. Reject the ones you don't like, and we learn from that. Like no problem at all. So yeah, well, let's go, Joe. So let's say that we have enough here. You can do up to 20, but let's just say we want to go all the way through. And now we're going to publish to our to a Google account. This is to do the full loop. So we create, we publish, and then we take the data and we learn from the results. We're going to create the asset group here. Meanwhile, I'm going to pull in to show you where it turns up. Okay, so while that is generating, we go here, and let's see, there are 14 groups. Okay, so let me refresh. And okay, so let's see the one that we just created. Okay, here we go, protein powder one. Okay, so all of the captions that we did are here, the headlines, all of the images you see here, these are the ones that we made. And you can see how these end up turning into ads in all the different formats that Google has. We do images, we do all the different placements, and really we're just kind of like letting the system learn what works best. So there's a quick example of Adsmith on a protein powder brand.